In this video, I'll show you how to request a refund on Oopbuy and explain the process depending on your order status. First, log into your Oopbuy account and go to your orders. Your order status determines what actions you can take. Waiting payment. This means the order hasn't been paid yet. You can cancel the order directly from your account without any issues. Order placed. The order has been successfully placed, but the seller hasn't shipped it yet. To get a refund, you'll need to contact customer service, as the seller must approve the request. Refunds usually take 3 to 5 business days after approval. Shipped. Once the order is on its way to the warehouse, refunds cannot be requested at this stage. You'll need to wait until it reaches the arrived at warehouse status. Arrived at warehouse/delivered. Refunds are only possible for eligible items that comply with Oopbuy's return policy. Eligible items must be in the warehouse for no more than 5 days. Some items may be non-returnable, but if a quality issue is confirmed, you can still request a refund even for these. For eligible returns without quality issues, keep in mind that a return shipping fee and handling fee may be deducted when the refund is processed. Always check the item labels and the return policy before requesting a refund so you know your options in advance. Hopefully, this guide makes the refund process on Oopbuy easier to understand. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned to One More Guru for more tips and tutorials.